easy turkey stew. Nice seasoning. Jollof recipe, turkey, tuna, and corned beef jollof. Frying the turkey so it's nice and golden. This. There's some nutmeg in there. So just push the rice nicely.
Ayesha, cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cared for. Come on, Ayesha, cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha, cuisines, Shelter's unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Ayesha's unique cuisines. Shelter's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Come on, Shelter's unique cuisines. Shelter's unique cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's unique cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's unique cuisines. It shall be just uniqueness. It shall be just greatness. It shall be just uniqueness. This is a cooking channel whereby we cook and teach recipes around the world. So if this sounds like a content you are interested in, why not subscribe, like, comment, turn on your bell icon for notification. That way, anytime I upload a video such as this one, you'll be the first to get notified. And by sharing this video, you get the opportunity to allow others to equally benefit. And you also have the privilege of having more content brought to you at your own convenience. It shall be just uniqueness. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Turkey.